hopefully the action will continue there very soon at the rally car ride stage, where you can purchase the experience of going round the stage in a rally car by going over to the bus over in the corner of the stage, and over there the crew will supply you with a helmet and strap you in, and as I say, you'll get the ride of a lifetime.
Yeah, that's why I've not got one yet.
North of England, and then went on through a progression onto the rally ladder, and went on to win the 2019 European Rally Championship. Something. And he's been doing the British Historic. But then as a complete contrast, we have the Skoda who are back to go back down.
That wasn't I'm going to.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful car. How did you find the stage before? Right race retro is that the drivers can shake down the cars before the season of rallying. It also gives the championship only uses single venue events with no road mileage on the public road, so obviously a driving licence isn't necessary. Into a modern. We've only just recently arrived here on the stage. Aaron Newby that's driving it is a 2-time Manx Rally champion. And Nichols, who earlier on was driving the R5. Jamie Small's car, and it's right here at the bottom for everybody to have a look underneath, and if you get stuck to one door here.
Well, it wasn't wet road when it came out.
Quattro is it's just a steering arm that's broken on the genuine Group B parts for it from a variety of Group B S1 evolution. This does evoke the days of 1970s. Discipline in the championship support. That's what's critical. The he'll be able to get the car repaired, it'll be isn't it? It's an interesting car to watch around because it's wasn't it a town and garage car? Takes a car.